In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a broken Speedo. So I recently brought this DRZ 400E and I can't help but notice that the Speedo doesn't work. Fortunately, bikes are pretty simple to work on, so there's only 3 things that could be going wrong. The Speedo sensor's broken, the Speedo drive or the Speedo cable, which runs down here, or the Speedo gear itself. Now, the easiest place to start is by undoing this little screw here, and we can get the end of that Speedo cable out. Now that that screw's been loosened, the Speedo cable can just pull out. Now the reason we do that is so we can have a look down in here, if the camera will focus. So when I spin the wheel, we can see that little gear turning in there. So we know that's not the problem. Now we can test if the Speedo cable itself spins, which it does, but it's broken. So we can see how the little Speedo cable snapped there. As they get old, it's not uncommon for them to break. So to get the rest of the Speedo cable out, we only have to undo this bolt here and this one behind there. Shout out to the previous owner for cross-threading this. Thanks, mate. So now that we've undone those, that just comes forward. And this is the top of our Speedo cable here. So we have to undo this. And we just pull it out. There's the old Speedo cable. Here's another one I prepared earlier. Now you start from the bottom first, because this little thing here can fall out. Now with the power of editing, these next parts will be super quick. Well, that's as far as it's going to go when it's cross-threaded. And that's how easy it is to fix the Speedo cable.